Imagine standing in 10 future cars of 2026 that simply don't feel real. Let's count them down. Number 10. Rivian R2, the future ordinary people can actually touch. We begin not with a six-figure trophy car, but arguably the most important American car of 2026. The Rivian R2 entered production on April 22nd at Rivian's plant in Normal, Illinois. Performance Launch Edition starts at $65,990 with a dual motor system producing 656 horsepower and an EPA estimated range of 330 miles. 656 horsepower in a family SUV under $60,000. For comparison, the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT produced around 375 horsepower and was considered extraordinary. The R2 fast charges from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes, features front and rear trunks and flat folding rear seats. This could do for American EVs what the 1964 Mustang did for affordable performance.
Number 9. BMW iX3 Neue Klasse, a new beginning for the ultimate driving machine. For generations of American drivers, BMW has meant one thing: the sheer joy of driving. In 2026, BMW is hitting a reset button unlike anything it has done in decades. The 2027 iX3 arrives in the US in fall 2026, with reservations opening in early May. Range sits between 383 and 434 miles, starting around $60,000. But the number that truly matters is not the price, it is the platform. This is the first vehicle ever built on BMW's completely clean sheet Neue Klasse architecture, which will eventually underpin every BMW you can buy. Top Gear named it Car of the Year. When historians write about the turning point for electric BMWs, this will be Chapter 1. Number 8. Polestar 6, the electric roadster that rewrites the rules. Swedish brand Polestar, born from Volvo's performance division, revealed the concept for this car in Los Angeles in 2022, and everything since suggests it will be one of the most talked about automobiles of the decade. Built on a bonded aluminum platform, the Polestar 6 uses 800-volt architecture, dual motors rumored at 884 horsepower, and a 0 to 60 time of 3.2 seconds. We must be candid, as of May 2026, it is on hold while Polestar focuses on higher demand models. When it arrives, expect around $100,000. What it represents is a new generation of convertible. Scandinavian design so beautiful it belongs in a gallery wrapped around pure electric exhilaration. It belongs on this list because it is genuinely unlike anything that has ever existed before.
Number 7. Lamborghini Fenomeno, a final roar from Sant'Agata. If ever a car was designed to make your heart stop, it is this one. Unveiled in 2026, the Fenomeno combines the most powerful V12 in Lamborghini's history with 3 electric motors. It was produced in just 29 units, with a roadster version in just 15 examples. 15 in the entire world. As Lamborghini transitions towards plug-in hybrids and eventually pure electric, the Fenomeno may be the last combustion-forward hypercar the brand ever builds at this level. It is more than a car. It is a farewell letter from the age of the V12, written in 1,000 horsepower and carbon fiber. Number 6. Jaguar Production EV, the most controversial comeback in automotive history. Few announcements stirred more debate than Jaguar's decision to go fully electric, abandon heritage models, and relaunch as an ultra-luxury brand. The Type 00 concept, unveiled in 2024, looked like nothing Jaguar had ever built. Love it or hate it, it announced a seismic shift. Now the production version is coming. Order books open in 2026 with deliveries to follow. Close to 500 miles of range, a 6-figure price tag, and a 4-door saloon arriving first with an SUV companion to follow. Jaguar, born from growling straight-six engines, Le Mans victories, and the grace of the E-Type, is now building silent, software-defined ultra-luxury vehicles designed to compete with Rolls-Royce and Bentley. Whether you admire the courage or mourn the tradition, this is not your father's Jaguar, and that is precisely what makes it extraordinary. If you are enjoying this journey through the most remarkable automobiles of our time, please consider subscribing to CarZora. Hit that button and let's continue.
Number 5. Ferrari Luce. Maranello's electric gamble worth $500,000. There are moments that define automotive eras. The Testarossa in 1984, the Enzo in 2002, and now the Ferrari Luce. Ferrari's first fully electric production car arrived in May 2026. 4 electric motors, over 986 horsepower, a 122 kilowatt-hour battery, 0 to 62 in 2.5 seconds, and a top speed around 190 miles per hour. Range approximately 330 miles. European pricing starts around €550,000, roughly $645,000. Ferrari made one bold engineering choice. Rather than faking combustion engine noise through speakers, the Luce amplifies the natural vibrations of its own powertrain. The result is entirely new. Not a V12, not silence, but something in between. The voice of the future. This is Ferrari saying, we still define the pinnacle. We just redefined what the pinnacle sounds like. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Spectre. Silence perfected. If one car on this list resembles what a civilization at the height of its powers would build, it is the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Available since 2023, starting around $398,000 in early 2026. It produces 577 horsepower, reaches 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, and carries a drag coefficient of 0.25, the most aerodynamic Rolls-Royce ever built. But specifications do not capture what the Spectre is. You step inside and the world disappears. The coach doors close with a sound described as a bank vault sealing itself. Over 1,000 fiber optic stars are embedded in the headliner, the gallery of the cosmos. The ride is so smooth that passengers describe long journeys as floating. The Spectre asks and answers a profound question. What happens when the world's greatest luxury automaker removes the engine entirely? The answer is that nothing is lost. Everything is gained.
Number 3. BMW Vision Neue Klasse, the car that previewed the future of an entire brand. The iX3 appeared at number 9, but the concept that made all of it possible deserves its own spotlight. Unveiled in 2023, the BMW Vision Neue Klasse was the design manifesto that set the stage for an entire generation of vehicles. A curved glass roof that doubles as a heads-up display. Exterior lighting that communicates the car's status in animated patterns. An interior so minimal it borders on spiritual. No buttons, no clutter, just space, light, and intelligence. BMW is also planning a full new 3 Series in 2026 on this same platform, pairing dramatic design with both gas and electric options. The Vision Neue Klasse tells us where the brand that defined the ultimate driving machine for 50 years believes the next 50 years are heading. Number 2. Cadillac Celestiq, America's answer to everything. For decades, critics dismissed American luxury cars. Too soft, too far behind the Europeans. The Celestiq was built specifically to end that conversation, permanently.
Each Celestiq is hand-assembled at GM's Global Technical Center in Warren, Michigan, fewer than 2 vehicles per day. For 2026, it starts in the low $400,000 range. 819 horsepower, a 55-inch dashboard display, over 275 patented technologies, including a 4-zone smart glass roof and an industry-first individual 4-zone microclimate system. No two Celestiqs are identical. Each buyer works directly with a Cadillac designer to select every element. One automobile, made by American hands at a price that now exceeds a Rolls-Royce Ghost. The world's most exclusive automakers are looking over their shoulders.
And number 1, the moment itself. Ferrari appeared at number 5. So why does it anchor number 1? Because number 1 on this list is not a single car. It is a moment. The year 2026 represents something genuinely historic. For the first time, the world's most iconic supercar maker, Ferrari, a brand that spent 79 years building its identity around the sound and fury of combustion, has entered the electric era. Not reluctantly, not quietly, with a $645,000 statement unlike anything on the road. At the same time, Rolls-Royce has proven that electric power and ultimate luxury are a natural pairing. Thank you sincerely for joining us at CarZora. Tell us your favorite in the comments. We read every single one. Until next time, drive well, and we'll see you soon.